Hello viewers, after part 1, we have brought 8 most mind-blowing facts about geography part 2. Let's enjoy. The Sargasso Sea has no coasts. The only sea in the world without any coasts, the Sargasso Sea is found in the Atlantic Ocean, located in the north. It is surrounded by 4 ocean currents with no land coastline to speak of. It is named for the floating seaweed that covers it, Sargassum. Yellowstone National Park is home to a supervolcano. Beneath Yellowstone National Park lies an active supervolcano, a distinction bestowed upon volcanoes that have seen at least one explosion release more than 240 cubic miles of material, which is a bit more than twice the volume of Lake Erie, according to National Geographic. The Yellowstone volcano has actually experienced 3 very large eruptions, 2 of which qualified as super. Though fortunately for park goers, the most recent one was 640,000 years ago. Today, the park's volcanic roots are evident in its hot spring, mud pots, and world-famous geysers. Sudan has more ancient pyramids than Egypt. Egypt's pyramids of Giza may be considered one of the wonders of the world, but Sudan has nearly twice the number of pyramids. Sudan touts 200 to 255 known pyramids built for the Kushite kingdoms of Nubia, compared to Egypt's relatively paltry 138 pyramids. Within the Sahara, you can still visit the ancient and reconstructed pyramids of Marwei. Did you know the largest rock on the planet is in Australia? Despite its name, Mount Augustus is not a mountain, but one very large rock. Located in the Australian outback, the rock stands more than 2,300 feet tall and can be seen from nearly 100 miles. The rock is twice the size of Ayers Rock, which is the outback's more famous granite rock. It's also 1650 million years old. Africa spans all 4 hemispheres. The only continent in the world to sit in all 4 hemispheres, north, south, east and west. Africa covers nearly 12 million square miles and 6% of the Earth's total surface. Africa is made up of 54 countries, the largest of which is Algeria. It snows in the Sahara Desert, with temperatures reaching up to 136 degrees Fahrenheit. Northern Africa's Sahara Desert rarely gets cold enough for snow, but it is not unheard of. The Sahara's temperature averages 86 degrees, but in the evening, chill sets in, averaging 55 degrees. In January 2018, the Sahara received its 3rd snow in 40 years. Before that, snowfall was recorded in 2016 and 1979. The largest concentration of lakes is in Canada. 9% of Canada is a freshwater lake, and with 31,752 lakes, the country has more lakes than anywhere else in the world. These lakes are impressive in scope too. 561 of Canada's lakes measure more than 62 square miles. The most remote place on Earth is Point Nemo. Officially called the oceanic pole of inaccessibility, Point Nemo is 1,000 miles from any land in any direction. Literally, Point Nemo is in the middle of nowhere. Nemo in Latin means fittingly no one. The closest people to Point Nemo are astronauts on the International Space Station, whenever they pass above the point 258 miles away. Comment below how you are liking our content and let us know your interest area. We will make our next video on that topic. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the next videos. Stay with Fantasy Factory.